The final type of table join I'll show you before we move on is the full outer join, otherwise known as the full join. The full join is another one of those join types that I don't think I've ever used in my career. The concept behind the full join is that if you give it two tables, it will return all records from those two tables, regardless of whether or not they have any matches. It's kind of like a combination of a left join and right join together. Whereas in a left join, the left-hand table is dominant, and in a right join, the right-hand table is dominant. In a full join, both of the tables are equal. The full join will return all records from both tables, as well as any matching records. To demonstrate this, we're using the same common table expression setup that we used to demonstrate the cross join. You'll see our first CTE gives us X, Y, and Z, and our second CTE gives us 1, 2, and 3. Below our two CTEs, we have our full join, and we're using a select star in this case. Select star is used to select all columns from a table or set of tables. In this case, if I run this query, I will get all columns from both set A and set B. Or I can specify set A dot star and only get the columns from that table. Or set B dot star and only get the columns from that table. Let's just say select star from set A full join to set B on B column equals the A column. And let's run the query to demonstrate what the full join does. As you can see already, it lives up to the description that I gave it a moment ago. We are getting all of the matching and non-matching records from both tables. In this case, none of the records match, so it's 100% non-matching. However, let's demonstrate how this can change. Let's take our Y column, or our Y row in the first CTE, and change its value to 3, and then run the query again. We see now that we've gone down to 5 rows, and row 2 shows us the 3 from our first table and the 3 from our second table. So this is where you start to see what a full outer join actually does. We get both the matching and the non-matching records. We can demonstrate this further by taking the 2 row in our second CTE and change it to X, and then run the query again, and now we're down to 4 rows in our result sets. In table A rather, we've got X matched to X, and then we also have 3 matched to 3. But Z is unmatched and 1 is unmatched. So we still have 2 unmatched records in our result sets. This is a quick and dirty demonstration of how a full join or full outer join works. As you probably guessed, the outer keyword is optional. I can say full outer join and get the same result, or I can delete outer and just say full join and I still get the same result.